got angels running away. I got demons hunting me. I know Pop with 25. I know Jesus 33. I tell death to keep a distance. I think he obsessed with me. I say, God, that's the one. I know she would die for me. They want a barcode on my wrist to auction off the kids that don't fit the description of a utopia. Like a problem won't exist if I just don't exist. If I grew up without a single pot to piss in. Pardon me for venting. Congress got the nerve to call itself religious. Rich just getting richer. We just trying to live our life. Mama mixed the vodka with the Sprite. They killed my cousin with the pocket knife. While my uncle on the phone, he was gone for more than half my life. He got out a year and then he died. I was on the road, talking to my father on the phone. Left the city when I was just 4. None of them would get along. Mama begging him for when it coast. I was chilling with my niggas poop. Now they trying to take his life. Don't mean shit to a nigga that ain't never had shit. Yeah, light don't mean lit. In the dark fight don't mean fish. Oh, ice don't see. Ice don't see. Ice don't freeze. Light don't leave. I don't mean light to me. Tell me it'll be okay. Tell me happier days. Tell me that she might babe. That I won't be alone. Tell him I'll be okay. When he asks how's my day. Tell him that we the same. Tell him that we the same. I got my granddaddy's soul. I'm at war, that's on my mind. I see Walter body cold. Wish I could switch it with mine. I'm not worried about no rap shit. Distractions or waste of times. I still go to social functions even though I'm so anti. No, I'm no Rihanna, the core gonna throw it like Donovan down a bit. I just been modeling my whole career as if Pac was in studio. Monitor shaking, I raised the apartment to bond with profit. I made what I made and a lot to amount of time, the same amount of time you was watching. So stop comparing me to people, know I am not them. A lot of people dreaming till they shit get shit. That's life. Mama mixed it vodka with the Sprite. Kill my cousin with the pocket knife. While my uncle on the phone, he was gone for more than half my life. He got out a year and then he died. I was on a road, talking to my father on the phone. Left the city when I was just 4. None of them would get along. Mama begging him for when it cold. I was chilling with my niggas poop. Now they trying to take his life.
I'ma do it till I die. Till I'm down. They say what goes up must come down, but we never coming down. No, I'm on fire. Look who's hot now. Soon as you think you're up, I'ma shut your shit down.
Everybody wanna be gangsters, everybody wanna be gangsters, yeah. Everybody wanna be a gangster, everybody wanna be a gangsters, yeah. Everybody wanna be gangsters, everybody wanna be gangsters, yeah. Everybody wanna be gangsters, when they know they really don't wanksters.
Would you die for what you rap? Would you tote the heat around when you know this one you sure protect? Let them talk at the side of their necks. Get loud when they all in your shit. Are you the one who's gonna send them to hell? Oh, would you flee with your shorty? Oh, would you hide behind your homies? Okay, now niggas really wanna be gangsters. Niggas really wanna be gangsters. No thank you, nigga, I'ma fucking be me. And that's Z heading straight to your TV. Expose these niggas for some phonies. Make them cry to their mommies.
Oh, I'm starting to understand you motherfucking niggas now. Very well. All up on the social network, all tough and shit, acting like Hulk Hogan out this motherfucker. Anytime something serious goes down,
I'ma do it till I die.